on the water specifically to catch fish. Didn't catch any fish, but due to a storm, there's lots of kelp floating on the water and on the beach. So I'm going to collect my 10 pounds per day. With a California fishing license, you can keep 10 pounds per day. I'm only going to take it if it's already broken off. All right, back on the beach. Let's collect a little bit more seaweed. You can see there's kelp everywhere. There's tons of it just washed up on the beach. So I'm gonna grab some of the bigger chunks of it. This is what we want. All right, here's my bag of seaweed, my giant kelp I'm gonna turn into fertilizer. It is sandy and salty, so first I'm gonna rinse it with fresh water. All right, let's put it into a bucket. All right, let's get some rainwater. I wish I showed you in the video this immersion blender, but it's really gnarly. It's just an industrial immersion blender. It's just a lot bigger and a lot more powerful than the one you have at home. I've used it for fish fertilizer, and now I'm using it for seaweed fertilizer. Alright, so now I have fresh, rinsed seaweed, giant kelp, in rainwater that's been pureed. I made lactic acid bacteria serum, also known as labs. It's kind of complicated. I'm not going to include it in this video. It's a serum filled with microorganisms, specifically lactobacillus bacteria. So now you don't have to add the lactic acid bacteria. There's already fungus and bacteria all over everything. There is already lactobacillus bacteria on the kelp and in the water everywhere, so you don't need it, but it's definitely going to supercharge it and help the decomposition if you add it. Similarly, I'm also going to add a sugar source, unsulfured blackstrap molasses, for a food source for the bacteria and the yeast and everything that's going to help decompose and break down our fermented seaweed. Give that one more blend just to get it all homogeneous. That's all there is to it. I'm gonna let this ferment for 4 to 6 weeks. I'll check in with you every once in a while until it's done. All right, week 2 update. You can definitely tell the fungus is active. It's kind of furry on top. Ooh, that is thick. Yeah, it feels pretty thick stuff. Looks super active right now though. After I stir it, all the bubbles coming up, all the CO2 coming up, you can tell it's bacterial or fungal digestion and respiration going on in there. 2 weeks. We'll get back at you in another 2 weeks. Okay, we're only on week 3, but there was such a huge difference in the last week. I still want to show it to you. So this looks like pure liquid now. I feel like this is already done. There's no major reactions. Last week when I stirred it, all the CO2 bubbles came to the top, telling me that there was still life in there. Now it doesn't look like there is anymore. I think those microorganisms did their work and they're already done. I think we gave them such a perfect situation that they knocked it out in only 3 weeks. I'm gonna bottle this up and we're gonna see what it looks like in the clear bottle. All right, the liquid seaweed fertilizer worked out really, really well. I think the 3 biggest things I did was 1, puree it with that industrial immersion blender that I bought just for making liquid fertilizer, both like fish fertilizer and kelp fertilizer. The second biggest thing I think that contributed to the success was adding the labs, the lactic acid bacteria serum. That was just a gut punch of microorganisms, specifically lactobacillus, to supercharge the ferment. And I also used rainwater. Last time I didn't use rainwater. Our municipality probably puts in chlorine and chlor, whatever the other one is. That's pretty dangerous for microorganisms. All right, feeding my turtles. I'm taking a break from editing the video to tell you, make sure you dilute this fertilizer down pretty heavily, 10-to-1, something like that. A few tablespoons per gallon, something like that. I will probably do maybe a cup per my 3-gallon watering can is what I'm gonna do. So just play it safe. You can still burn your plant. I really appreciate you watching up to this point. Thanks so much. Please hit like and subscribe if you haven't already, and keep an eye out for the next video I make. Take care. Have a good day.